Rotator cuff pain can feel like a small injury at first, but over time it can become the reason you can't lift your arm, sleep comfortably, or even do simple daily tasks. While surgery is one path, what if there were powerful secrets to healing that many doctors don't always share up front? What if I told you that with the right natural techniques, you could speed up recovery, protect your shoulder, and even avoid surgery altogether? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover the little-known ways to strengthen and heal your rotator cuff naturally. The rotator cuff is a group of muscles and tendons that stabilize your shoulder joint. When it's injured, rest alone isn't enough. The real secret lies in gradual strengthening combined with blood flow stimulation. Gentle exercises, like external rotations with a resistance band, can rebuild stability. Heat therapy increases circulation, helping tissues repair faster, while anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric and omega-3s can reduce swelling naturally. Posture correction is another overlooked factor. Slouching puts extra stress on the cuff. And perhaps the biggest secret? Healing requires consistency, not intensity. Small, repeated actions bring lasting results. So before considering invasive procedures, explore these natural healing strategies. Your shoulder has an incredible ability to recover when given the right tools. Remember, knowledge is power, and the secrets to healing are often simpler than you think.